This video is going to demonstrate the running stitch. This particular example is showing the running stitch on a very large scale, but essentially you can see how it just runs along the side of your fabric. You're going to practice this on your practice piece with a small yellow piece of felt. So we're going to take our practice piece. You can do it anywhere on here. You're going to pin the felt to the practice piece. You've pinned a lot, it goes in the fabric and then pops out the other side, so that way it's secure. We've got a threaded needle with a nice big knot. Take it out of our pink fabric and we're going to do the running stitch. We always start on the wrong side of the fabric and you just pull it up and down and you're running, hence the term running stitch, along the side of your fabric. So now I'm on the top of my piece and I go down. Pull it all the way through. Now I'm on the bottom and I come up. I'm on the top of my piece, I'm going to go down, bottom, and then come up. Now, as you can see, I don't have a lot of thread. I will definitely not make it all the way around this piece, so I'm going to have to do our same spot knot. You need to stop when you have about 4 or 5 inches left, and we're going to do the same spot knot on the back side. Always knot on the back side. So I've done one last stitch. I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to knot. As mentioned before, we want to do our same spot knot before we run out of thread. We don't want to get to a point where we have this much thread and can't knot our work, because you always need to knot your work. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same spot knot and then I'll rethread my needle. So all you need to do is, just like in the other same spot knot in the back of the button, you grab a little bit of fabric with your needle, it forms a loop. We go through the loop and pull it tight, and we'll do it again. We're going to grab our last bit of fabric, it forms a loop, put our needle through the loop, that's twice. We're going to go for a third time, last bit of thread through the loop and pull. Then we're going to take our shears, snip it off, and it is secured. So to continue the running stitch, we'll just rethread our needle and continue along all 3 sides, and it'll look something like this. Again, all of our knots are on the wrong side of the fabric.